What's up, guys? My name is Femi Greater Heights, and welcome to Talk Tech. Now, you'll be looking at my screen that you're seeing two different screens as usual. On the right is my Android device, and on the left is my Firefox browser. I had to pan it away from the screen just to hide the chat panel. That is not what I'm talking about, but if you've noticed, this is a WhatsApp interface. Now, while we have the functionality to use WhatsApp on other device, where the iteration is right now is that you'd always have to link your phone with your desktop app. If you're using the desktop app, that's .exe on Windows, or you are using the browser formats on your Chrome or on your Firefox or any other browser that you want to use. And WhatsApp has announced that they will be rolling out multi-device support. Anyway, that is quite late because Telegram is already doing that, so they are a little bit behind Telegram in a lot of things. Now, if you want to use WhatsApp on your browser, you definitely have to link your phone to your browser. You have to link your phone to the app as well. Now, there's something I want to bring to your attention. I don't know if you guys have noticed it, but if you're on your web and you see the name of a particular group, XYZ group, and you hover your mouse on the names down here, notice what it brought up. It brought up a whole list of those names. Now, this does not make sense to me because if I wanted to get as many of these names as possible, I should be able to click on this group and do that manually. Now, that discourages me from wanting to harvest as many of this information as possible because I just have to do them one by one. Now, with just hovering on this, you get as many of these phone numbers as possible. You'll be wondering that, okay, it's on the screen. What do I do with it? I can't touch, I can't grab, but I'm going to come back to that. So let me go back to the desktop app for Windows. If you hover on the particular group as well, if you hover on the names, you see the names, but this time around it is in horizontal format. It is not in the vertical format, but you get as many numbers as possible. Now, if I go back to the web and I want as many phone numbers as possible without stress, I can just hover on these particular names. I just need to open my Google Lens and hover on this particular screen, and I capture it as much as possible. Now you can see from the right hand side is as capture as many of the numbers as possible. Then I click and I hold just to highlight as many as I can. So when I get as many as I can, I just click on the copy text beneath. So when I copy text, I can open a clipboard of my choice and just paste it there. You can see without stress, I've been able to get as many numbers as possible. Harvesting number shouldn't be this easy on WhatsApp. I know that people do this manually, sending messages one by one, but it shouldn't be this easy. That is my opinion. You might have a different opinion. You can drop it on the comment section. Now, the same thing for the desktop application. When I hover on this particular names, you can see it is showing me as many numbers as possible. I can tilt my screen to the horizontal plane if I wanted to, just to capture as many numbers as possible, or I can just make it a vertical orientation and copy as many numbers as I can. I can just copy text and I navigate to my clipboard and I can post a new set of numbers now. So let me post the new set of numbers. You can see I've been able to harvest as many numbers as possible in the twinkle of an eye. So I do not think this should be easy for people to harvest numbers from groups on WhatsApp. And I think WhatsApp needs to fix that as soon as possible. When you go to Telegram, when you hover on it, you find out that you do not get that. Even when you do not get as many of that information as possible. You can see I'm hovering on it, so it keeps you on your toes to wanting you to get as many information as possible. So I think WhatsApp needs to fix this in their next iteration. If you have a different opinion, you can always drop your comment beneath this video, and also hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell if you want to see subsequent videos as I drop them. My name is Femi Greater Heights. I know people do this easily, but then it should put you on your toes, give you a little bit of stress to think about if you want to harvest as many numbers as possible. So I catch you guys in the next video.